mode.
Yo guys, Hans here, and this is the outdoor Bluetooth speaker, waterproof IPS6, and drop-proof speakers from W King. So we have two versions here. One is the S20 and the other one is the S7. Both speaker has the same build and rubberized framing and back-to-back speakers. The S20 features stereo sound. So meron siyang tatlong speakers. So meron siyang speaker sa harap na dalawa and sa likod yung subwoofer niyang speaker. Hey, hey, follow me low, down, down, follow me low. Hey, hey, follow me low, down, down, follow me low. I'm not trying to make this up. I know it's darker, the window shut. I ripped her shreds. Over the S7 naman, meron tayong dalawang speakers and back-to-back siya. Hey, hey. Me low, down, down, follow me low, hey, hey, follow me low, down, down, follow me low. Now I'm not trying to make this up. I know it's darker, the window shut. I ripped her shreds out my dirty jeans. Both speaker features a headphone jack for that non-Bluetooth device. And of course, meron din siyang micro SD card reader. Battery life on the S20 is 8 to 10 hours. And for the S7, it is 10 to 12 hours. Okay, so kung gusto mo ng stereo sound and much louder Bluetooth speaker, yung S20 yung para sa'yo. But if you're looking for portability and longer battery life ng Bluetooth speaker, yung S7 is yung okay. So guys, available to at Maricel Online Store. So check them out on Facebook. And by the way, they're giving away a free sticky pad. Ayan. Napakaganda na itong sticky pad na to kasi pwede mo siyang idikit anywhere and hindi siya malalaglag. For example, gusto mo siya idikit dito, idikit yan. Diba? Ayan. So go check out their Facebook page. Pwede mo silang i-message doon for more details about the sticky pad. And guys, for more videos like this, don't forget to subscribe. Again, my name is Hans Andres and see you in the next one. Thanks for watching.